The Fungal Textile project was funded by Vinnova, and it was ongoing for 4 years since 2018. This project was conducted in University of Borås in collaboration with several universities and research institutes in Sweden and around the world. In this project, we managed to develop new type of textile materials from filamentous fungi grown on food waste. The reuse of food waste for production of new materials result in reduction of the negative environmental and economic impacts of this type of waste. In the project, we have selected edible type of filamentous fungi in order to ensure the safety of the final products for human. The process of fungal textile production from food waste contains several major stages. First, we take the food waste and cultivate the fungi on the food waste inside the bioreactors in a process which is called submerged fermentation. What happens in this process is that the fungi consume the nutrients which are in the food waste and produce a material which we call it fungal biomass. Fungal biomass contains microscopic fibers which are filled with different ingredients of the cells, for example, proteins and lipids. To make the textile material, we remove those ingredients from the fibrous fraction of the fungal cells and take those fibers to spin filaments. We have developed processes to produce textile fibers from different types of fungi. In the process, we take the fibrous fraction of the cell wall material and then spin it into monofilament yarns. We have also developed multifilament yarns from the fungi grown in food waste. We have investigated the potential of fungal textile for medical application. Our experiments showed that the fungal textile materials are antibacterial. It means they can avoid and stop the infection, for example, if we use them in a wound healing material. Furthermore, the fungal textile materials are totally safe for the skin cells, and our results show that they even promote the growth of the skin cells in the in vitro experiments. We have also conducted wound healing experiments in vitro, and the results show that the presence of fungal textile material close to the wound results in higher cell migration and wound closure, which means these materials are promising candidates for future application as wound healing material and also as materials for skin tissue engineering. At the moment, we are able to produce textile fibers from the fungi grown on food waste in a continuous mode. We have developed textile fibers with different diameter and thickness, and we have tested the properties of these textile materials. We even have managed to make colored fibers from the fungi. The fungal textile materials are naturally hydrophilic. It means they react with water, but they are still stable in water condition. We have also managed to increase their water resistance by applying a thin layer of a hydrophobic natural material on the fibers. Furthermore, in addition to the textile fibers, we have developed bioplastic materials from the fungi grown on food waste, and the results show that these type of bioplastics may have good potential for application in food packaging, for example. Fungal leather-like materials are another type of interesting products of the project. By applying different type of processes on the fungal biomass, we have managed to create soft sheets of the fungal material which behave like a natural leather, and it has a very good potential for the replacement of the natural and synthetic leather in the future. The project has an interesting byproduct as well, which is a protein-rich material. As we have selected an edible fungus in the beginning, so it means this protein fraction can be used for food and feed applications. We are very much interested to continue this project and start new projects with our team in collaboration with the companies who are interested to test and use the fungal textile materials in their products. We have also started some simple weaving of the fungal textile, and the results are promising. The woven textile material can be used, for example, for clothes, but also for the technical textile. For example, in a parallel project which was started last year and was funded by Vinova, we are looking into the possibilities of using woven fungal textile material for water purification and also for air filtration.